As Melody sat and pondered what the magical piano had said about the ancient order of sharps and flats, she heard a soft humming in the distance. Suddenly, a warm glow appeared on the horizon, growing brighter as it approached. To her amazement, the magical piano materialized before her, its shimmering with an otherworldly light.
Well done, Melody. You've cracked the number code, but our journey is far from over. Are you ready to unlock the ancient order of sharps and flats?
Yes, certainly.
Your quest starts with finding the center of our musical alphabet. Can you find the letter at the center?
It's F.
Excellent! F is our starting point on this magical map. Now, we'll create a secret code. Write the sequence from F to B, leaving spaces between them.
Melody followed the piano's instructions and wrote FGAB.
Wonderful! Now, fill in the blanks with C, D, and E, starting between F and G.
Melody quickly filled in the gaps with C, D, and E.
Great job! With the above, place a sharp in front of F and a flat after B. Behold, the ancient order of sharps and flats.
Ah, so the sharps go from left to right, like F, C, G, D, A, E, B. And the flats go from right to left, like B, E, A, D, G, C, F.
Correct! This sequence will always help you remember the order in which sharps and flats appear in each key.
So if a key has 2 sharps, I know they'll be F and C. And if a key has 3 flats, it will be B, E, and A.
Well done, Melody. Now, the order of sharps and flats is your key to mastering any scale.
Melody smiled brightly, ready to unlock any key signature with the order of sharps and flats.
Magic piano, but how do I use the number code and the order of sharps and flats together?
These are indeed parts of a musical treasure map. Let me show you how to unlock any key. Using the number code, how many sharps will we encounter for E major?
Aha! We'll have 4 sharps for E major.
Exactly. Now let's use the order of sharps to find out which sharps are in E major. Remember, we read the sharps from left to right.
So, the sharps in E major are F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp.
That's right, Melody. You've just used the number code to find out how many sharps, and the order of sharps to know which sharps to play. Now, let's find out how many flats are there in B flat major. This time, we use the bottom row of the number code for flats.
B flat major has 2 flats.
Splendid! Now, let's use the order of flats by reading from right to left.
So, B flat major has B flat and E flat.
Brilliant! You've mastered both sharps and flats using these magical tools together. Remember, Melody, music is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring, and you'll uncover even more magical secrets.
Thank you, Magic Piano. I feel like I'm ready for anything now. Let's recap. First, use the number code to find out how many sharps or flats are in a key. The top row is for sharps, and the bottom row is for flats. Next, use the order of sharps and flats to find the key signature for the key. Sharps are read from left to right, and flats are read from right to left.
As Melody finished reviewing the ancient order of sharps and flats, she felt a sense of accomplishment. Just as she was about to leave, she noticed a music book floating down from the sky. A gust of wind ruffled its pages as it landed. The book fell open to a chapter she hadn't seen before, its title barely legible in faded ink. The Hidden Realm of Minor Keys. Melody's heart raced with excitement and curiosity.
Minor keys? I wonder how they're different from what I've learned.
And there you have it, fellow music enthusiasts. We've journeyed through the magical world of sharps and flats together, and I'm thrilled to see how far we've come. Keep those fingers dancing on your instruments, and always, always let the joy of music fill your heart. Until our next musical adventure, keep practicing, keep creating, and keep the melodies flowing.